What is SAP? SAP is the market leader in enterprise application management software, helping companies of all sizes and in all industries run at their best. 77% of the world's transaction revenue touches an SAP system. Founded in 1972, the company pioneered enterprise resource planning software, known as ERP, setting the global standard on how to manage operations and helping organizations do more with less. Since then, SAP has grown from a 5-person startup to multinational enterprise with more than 10,000 employees and more 440,000 customers in 180 countries. SAP is the company's become intelligent enterprises by connecting experience with operations and advancing breakthrough technologies like machine learning, Internet of Things, and advanced analytics. We are driven by innovation and now the world, fulfilling our utmost purpose to help the world run better and improve people's lives. Thanks for watching.